Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Kip's Course Highlights. Of course, you are here with Kip and Amy Conine. Again, I'm a teacher at Keystone School, and a course I thought would be really interesting to kind of dive into for our edition today is our AP Computer Science course. So I don't know how many of you know with these course highlights that we've been doing that we have AP courses, which is amazing because you can take the AP test and get AP credit for your computer science class. So as we're talking, if you comment, like, share, if you comment, if you have a question, or just make a comment like, hey, that's that's cool. If you're into computer science and coding and development and things like that, this might be a really good course for you. As a teacher who has taught computer science in the past, I think it's awesome that you have an AP course that is designed to help you live while learning. You can live your life, you can learn at your own pace, and do everything that you need to do, and you're getting AP credit for it, with all the requirements. You meet all the requirements, take the test, you can get that AP credit, which I think is great. So if you have questions, we can reach out to you, or at the end I'll show you some contact information, so if you want to enroll in the course, you know how to do that. So for your AP Computer Science, programming and coding and development, if that's something that piques your interest and you're already doing a lot of those things, some people, they learn to code on their own, you can get AP credit for it, and it goes towards, your graduation requirements. So it's very interesting that, we do have those AP courses for you, and this is just one in particular. So, the course outline, so you'll learn, this is just a quick overview because there's definitely more. You'll learn about your primitive types and Boolean expressions, writing classes and arrays and recursions. You're going to learn a whole bunch of different topics within this course that will prepare you for that AP test, that College Board exam, which I think is awesome. And Kip is getting ready down there too. So the activity I wanted to show you, it's really just in general the activities in the course, and I'll jump into that in just a second. Remember, if you're joining us, comment, share, like it. We'll keep pushing these out for you guys. We'll keep having them and hosting them, so you can get more information on our courses. But what I did want to talk about is some of the interesting semester 1 options that you will have, like reviewing lines of code and fixing the errors. You'll have an activity that you'll need to take a look at the code that's presented and see if you can fix the errors to make it run smoothly. So, the errors that sometimes you find, they're called bugs, and you go in and try to fix those, and then you can push out updates to the technology. So if everything we use today is all technology based, it all has some sort of programming. If the program isn't working properly, the codes and the lines and all that, if they aren't working, then we can't use a lot of our technology that we have. I mean, that's just the way it is. So it's kind of a cool course that you can kind of deep dive into. So I'm going to jump into that right now. So I'm going to pull that up for you. So here's the landing page for all of our courses. All look the same. So this is the landing page for this particular course, the AP Computer Science. So you have your announcements are right here, so you can kind of see if there's anything new going on. You have your welcome letter and taking a look at the resources that are provided for you. You can take a look at your grades. You can contact Keystone support, see your progress throughout the course. The biggest piece is this content piece. So if you go into your content, you can see all the different aspects of the course. These are all the sections that you'll talk about. This one's sections 1 through 5. So I wanted to take a look at fixing a circle. So when I click on this activity, and you would do the same thing, you click on the activity and it will take you to this outside source. So we're going to be fixing a circle. It's worth 5 points. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Oh, here we go. So it tells you what's been created, and they have errors. So you need to go through and fix the errors that are provided. So you'll make edits to both of the files so they'll work correctly. So then you're presented with this platform. So as you make adjustments to both of the files, you can run it and stop it. You can check your code, all of those things, which I think is really cool. So if I run it right now, there's errors that come up. It tells me that there's 4 errors, and then I would go through and adjust what I need to. So I thought that was kind of cool. You'll be working on that throughout, that kind of stuff throughout the course, and you can put into practice the different pieces that you're learning, and you can get AP credit for it. You know, if you're putting in the work and you plan on taking the test, it's a great way to earn AP credit. So if this is something that has piqued your interest, definitely reach out to us. We are located in the United States. You can go to the website and check out all the other courses that we have, or you can call the phone number and we can get you connected with somebody to help you with your enrollment questions or get you enrolled, or sign you up for next semester, whatever the case may be. So I want to thank you for joining us today. Kip wants to thank you for joining us today. He always has fun with these things. But remember, like, comment, share, follow our pages that we have on Instagram and Facebook. We even have a Pinterest page. I don't know if y'all know that. We have a Pinterest page. So join those things. You can get different study tips and you know, just different ideas for planning and structure, and you know, maybe some decompression ideas. There's craft stuff on there. Anyways, that's a whole other thing. But thank you for joining us today. Reach out if you have any questions.